Bonjour et bienvenue à tous dans ce tout premier épisode de la série Apprendre l'anglais rapidement. Dans cette aventure, nous allons plonger ensemble dans des conversations de la vie quotidienne entre Adama et Hawa. Le principe est simple. D'abord, on écoute la conversation en entier. Puis, je vous poserai quelques questions pour tester votre compréhension et vous aider à progresser pas à pas. N'hésitez surtout pas à mettre la vidéo en pause, à revenir en arrière ou à réécouter certains passages si ça va un peu vite. Chacun avance à son propre rythme et l'important, c'est de pratiquer régulièrement. Alors, installez-vous confortablement, ouvrez bien vos oreilles et c'est parti pour l'épisode 1.
Hey, Awa, how was your first day at our new school?
Hi, Adama. It was amazing. The classrooms are so modern and spacious.
I agree. Did you meet our new English teacher, Mrs. Johnson?
Yes, she seems very friendly and patient. I think she will help us improve quickly.
The library is incredible, too. There are so many English books and computers.
I noticed that. We should study there together after classes.
Great idea. What about the cafeteria? The food smells delicious.
Oh, yes. They have international dishes. I tried the pasta today. It was perfect.
I'm excited about the science laboratory. We can do real experiments there.
Me too. And the playground is huge. We can play basketball during break time.
This school has everything we need to succeed. I'm happy we're here together.
Absolutely. Let's work hard and make the most of this opportunity.
By the way, did you see the computer room? It has brand new laptops for all students.
Yes, and the art classroom was fantastic too. There are easels, paints, and drawing tablets.
I heard the music room has guitars, keyboards, and even a drum set. We should join the school band.
That sounds amazing. I play the piano a little. What about you?
I can play guitar. We could practice together after school in the music room.
Perfect! I'm so excited about all the activities the school offers. Tomorrow will be even better.
I'm also impressed by the sports facilities. The gymnasium is huge, and they have professional equipment.
Really? What kind of sports can we do there?
I saw basketball courts, volleyball nets, and even a fitness room with modern machines.
That's wonderful. Physical exercise is so important for students. It helps us stay healthy and focused.
Exactly. And I love that they have both indoor and outdoor sports areas.
The swimming pool looked amazing too. It's Olympic size and very clean.
Swimming is my favorite sport. We should definitely sign up for swimming classes.
Great idea. I need to improve my swimming technique. Do you know who the coach is?
I think it's Mr. Thompson. He used to be a professional swimmer.
Excellent. Having an experienced coach will help us a lot.
Maintenant, testons votre compréhension à travers un quiz en 3 questions. Si vous n'avez pas compris le texte très bien, revenez en arrière et réécoutez la conversation. Who is Adama and Awa's new English teacher? A. Mr. Thompson. B. Mrs. Johnson. C. Mr. Smith. D. Mrs. Brown. Answer B. Mrs. Johnson. Mrs. Johnson is introduced as the new English teacher, described as friendly and patient. 2. What impressed Adama in the library? A. Comic books and video games. B. Many shelves of books and computers. C. English movies being played. D. Colorful and comfortable chairs. Answer B. Many shelves of books and computers. Adama admired the large number of English books and the availability of computers for research. 3. Which dish did Awa try in the cafeteria? A. Rice with chicken.
B. Pizza. C. Pasta with tomato sauce. D. Hamburgers. Answer C. Pasta with tomato sauce. Awa clearly said she tasted the pasta that day and she thought it was perfect.
Ok, continuons avec la deuxième partie. Accrochez-vous, ici c'est un peu plus complexe. Enjoy.
By the way, have you met any other students in our class yet?
I met a few during lunch break. They all seem very welcoming and friendly.
That's great. Making new friends is always exciting, but sometimes a bit nerve-wracking.
Don't worry, you're very easy to talk to. I'm sure you'll make friends quickly.
Thanks for saying that. It's nice to have a familiar face in this new environment.
Speaking of the environment, I love how green and clean the campus is.
Yes, all those trees and flowers make it feel peaceful and conducive to learning.
The maintenance staff must work very hard to keep everything so neat and tidy.
And the security system seems very good too. I feel safe walking around the school.
Safety is definitely important, especially for a big school like this one.
I heard there are over 2,000 students here from different backgrounds and countries.
Wow, that diversity will be amazing for learning about different cultures.
I'm looking forward to meeting students from other countries and practicing different languages.
Oh, and did you see the notice board near the entrance? They post all the announcements, clubs, and upcoming events there.
Yes, I saw they're organizing a cultural day next month. Students will present food, music, and traditions from their countries.
That sounds so exciting. It will be a great opportunity to learn and also to share our own culture.
Definitely. I'd love to participate and maybe prepare something traditional from home.
Same here. This is going to be an incredible year. With all these activities, I feel like we'll grow, not just as students, but also as individuals.
Me too. Let's make sure we take advantage of every single opportunity and work hard to achieve our goals, while having fun.
Testons une dernière fois vos connaissances.
1. What cultural benefit does Adama see in having students from many countries? A. It will make exams harder. B. It will encourage competition. C. It will be amazing for learning about different cultures. D. It will reduce the number of clubs. Answer C. Adama says that diversity will be amazing for learning about different cultures. 2. What event did Awa read about on the notice board? A. A sports tournament. B. A debate competition. C. A cultural day. D. A graduation ceremony. Answer C. Awa saw that they're organizing a cultural day next month. 3. What kind of activities will the cultural day include? A. Lectures about history. B. Presentations of food, music, and traditions. C. Sports competitions. D. Language classes. Answer B. Awa explained that students will present food, music, and traditions from their countries. 4. What is the overall attitude of Adama and Awa towards the new school year? A. Worried and uncertain. B. Neutral and reserved. C. Excited and optimistic. D. Unmotivated and tired. Answer C. Both Adama and Awa agree this will be an incredible year with opportunities for growth, fun, and hard work.
Félicitations! Vous êtes arrivés jusqu'au bout de cette vidéo et rien que ça, c'est déjà une vraie victoire. Cela prouve que vous êtes motivés et que vous avez vraiment envie de maîtriser l'anglais. Mais ne vous arrêtez pas là. La clé du succès, c'est la régularité. Pour continuer votre progression, je vous invite à cliquer juste ici pour découvrir l'épisode 2 où Adama et Awa vont vivre une nouvelle conversation passionnante. Alors restez motivés, continuez à pratiquer et on se retrouve tout de suite dans le prochain épisode.